Are you preparing for your English literature exam and feeling a little overwhelmed? Don't worry. In this video, I will share proven strategies that will help you ace your exam with confidence. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that most students overlook. Let's get started. Number 1. Understand the syllabus. First thing first, understand your syllabus inside out. Make a list of all the text you need to cover, including novels, plays, and poetry. Check which themes, literary devices, and characters are important. This will help you focus your revision and avoid last minute cramming. Number 2. Analyze text effectively. Don't just read the text, analyze them. Take notes on key themes, character development, and stylistic devices. Ask yourself questions like, why did the author choose this particular symbol? Or how does the character change over time? Jot down these insights so you can use them in your essays. Number 3. Practice writing essays. Practice makes perfect. By writing answers to past exam questions under time conditions. Focus on structuring your essay with a clear introduction, argument-driven body paragraph, and a strong conclusion. The more you practice, the easier it will be to organize your thoughts in the exam. Number 4. Master quotations. Knowing key quotations will boost your analysis. Choose a few each main character, theme, and literary devices. Use flashcards or sticky notes to remember them, and don't just memorize. Understand how they support your argument. Number 5. Develop critical thinking. Examiners love original insights. Read different interpretations of the text, critical essays, teacher notes, and even discussions with friends. This will help you develop a unique perspective rather than repeating basic points. Number 6. Time management in the exam. When the exam starts, don't rush into writing. Spend a few minutes planning your essay. Outline your main points so you stay focused and structured. Manage your time wisely. Leave enough time to review your work before submitting. Number 7. Bonus tip. Stay calm and confident. Here is the bonus tip. Stay calm and confident. If you have prepared well, you have nothing to fear. Take deep breath, read the questions carefully, and trust yourself. A clear mind leads to clear writing. And that's it. Follow these strategies and you will be on your way to acing your English literature exam. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more study tips. Good luck with your exams and see you in the next video.